finding out that the Colorado Springs Medical Spa, where 3,000 COVID-19 vaccines were confiscated, is owned and operated by a nurse rather than a doctor, as its name, Dr. Moma Health and Wellness Clinic, would imply.
And tonight, vaccine recipients who went there are being put on notice by the state that they will now need to take further action to ensure they are fully protected. 13 Investigates Lauren Barnes is live at the clinic where this all started with a reported mishandling of those vaccine doses.
State documents show the owner of Dr. Moma Health and Wellness Clinic in Colorado Springs is a licensed DNP in Colorado. It means she has a doctorate in nursing but is far from a medical doctor. Yet the sign on the door reads Dr. Moma.
She is not a physician, and so that can create some confusion. I think it is important to have that transparency.
We also learned, though, according to the Secretary of State's office, there are no restrictions on the use of doctor in a business name.
Thank you for calling Dr. Moma Health and Wellness Clinic.
13 Investigates has called Dr. Moma's repeatedly for a statement, but the call hangs up immediately after going to voicemail. A KRDO viewer's wife was vaccinated at Dr. Moma's on Friday, just before the state shut it down.
Do you think the title of the business is misleading in that sense?
Of course. Of course it's misleading.
He wishes he would have waited for a different appointment to open up.
It just didn't appear like a medical office or professional medical office.
Claiming the experience was concerning for other reasons just hours before the state intervened.
They gave her the shot. They didn't even put a Band-Aid on her arm. So she didn't even realize that. And then when we were in the car, she looked down at her shoulder because it was feeling just a little sore from the shot, and she noticed that there was some blood seeping.
But eagerness to get vaccinated prior to upcoming travel plans and reassurance from public health officials convinced the couple to pursue a shot there.
We are still working to find out if Dr. Moma's could face a fine for this. What we can tell you is the incident has already impacted its bottom line. According to the state's reimbursement rate for vaccines administered, the clinic missed out on nearly $130,000 when its doses were confiscated on Friday.